Hi, I'm Dari Frants, and I'll show you today the ways to remove unwished object on your image in Photoshop. This is our Photoshop project, and for example, let us remove some of those boxes here on the grass. Okay, let's go to rectangular marquee tool, click on it, and then left click of your mouse and holding it while choose unwished area. Then right click of the mouse and click fill. Here in this window you just have to be sure that like contents you have chosen content aware. Okay, it is now, and opacity it has to be pretty high. Let it be 80% and let us see. Okay. I think it's done pretty good, but it's not always like that. And let's press Ctrl D to remove selection. And let's see one more way to remove unwished object. So you see here spot healing brush tool. Let's click on it and let's just, it's like painted our object. And you see it's almost done, but here it's still some spot. Let's do it one more time. I think it's better. And I always, let's try this one. I think it's good. And I always recommend to use clone stamp tool. Let's click on it, because those areas can be done better, like this. Let's increase size of brush. I love this tool. So that's it. There are a few tools and you can choose which is the best for you, for your case. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!